Big delivery coming in here. I just got a call from the truck driver. They're on their way in. They're delivering the pallet racks. So yeah, I got some work to do here. It is a tad bit warm.
Oh yeah.
Well, this turned out to be pretty nice. I mean, they loaded everything in a small Penske rather than have the big truck show up. So that was really cool. And we're talking about how to unload because these things are kind of long. And I told him, I said, look, what's the safest for you? And he looked at me and he said, well, most people don't even think about that. So what we finally decided we would do is he's just going to unwrap it and we're going to unload it straight out of the truck piece by piece. And that fast, we're done. Yeah, we wish it was that fast. Now the real work begins.
Now my Gaylord boxes are 37-ish inches, and then you add in another 4 for the pallets. So call that 41, and then you want 4 to 6 inches of lift. So call it 48. So I'm going to mark 48 inches for the bottom rail. So I know that I have to mess around a little bit with where the I want the bottom of the rail to be right on the blue tape. So I'm just going to put the tape on these real quick. I'm going to get 2 of them up and then I can get the extension put on. Okay. Cool beans. We get the back the back beam one. And well, I don't mind telling you, this kind of kicked my butt a little bit. Should have been a very simple job, but the far right upright was bent just a little bit, and that made everything much more complicated than it had to be. Fortunately, one of the guys next door and a ratchet strap and some Brainiac main power. Anyway, we got to figure it out, but boy howdy, it turned out to be more work than it needed to be. All right, the next step is to put some holes in the concrete and bolt it down, but that's going to be another day because I'm bushed.